Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to DXB Crypto. Hope you are doing well. And in a world of uncertainty, the only thing that is sure is crypto goes down and bounces back up again quite quickly. So if you're there afraid, do not be afraid. Buy the dip, buy the blood. And remember, 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago now, I did a video saying, please don't shoot your load. Relax. Don't deploy all your USDC, USDT. A few people came at me in the comments, so I just want to let you know, opportunities come in crypto. We should all consider holding back this addictive dopamine that gets your USDT into the exchange, which is something that I suffered from for majority of my crypto investing life. So sometimes it's better to hold on to a bit of spare cash on your wallet without having to buy anything. It just feels great because days like this become even more meaningful. But guys, listen, today I want to talk to you about narratives, and I want to talk about Sui and why she's not giving us her number. So if that sounds interesting, if you're new, welcome back to the channel. And if you're returning, welcome back. So first thing I want to talk about, guys, is narratives. What is our understanding of narratives? And when you look at the on-chain data, of course, meme coins, AI, skip NFT marketplace, because that's just a really temporary spike. But meme coin, AI, you've got Politify turning up here. You've got other things like data availability, probably Celestia ecosystem is getting a love. Gamify sitting there at 8. And of course, you've got analytics and then real world assets at 10. Now, if you go past the top 10, you've got Dexis at 12, Solana ecosystem or Solana in general at 14th, and then you've got depin, the much loved depin sector is there in the 15th place, and then of course Ethereum and Bitcoin season will come eventually. But I want to talk to you about this and actually dive into some head-on comparison as to how these narratives work. So in this dashboard, all right, so what we're looking at is a dashboard of these three top narratives. So I've literally just used, so RWA in black, AI in blue, and of course Gamify in green. And if you look at these narratives, guys, you can see here AI has been trending down a bit, even though we had an explosion of AI. But the one area that's just been creeping up as of late is Gamify. And that is quite interesting because Gamify is going to have what is surely going to be one of the hottest seasons. And in that respect, I would like you to actually intelligently balance your gaming crypto profile portfolio and make sure that you have at least exposure to some gaming coins to take advantage of that. So you can see here both RWA and AI are slightly on the downtrend, but hey, listen, AI is massive, RWA is massive. But what I've been seeing since I've been tracking this dashboard is it's just massive downward pressure on gaming, and finally we're getting a bit of a relief. So this could be a good opportunity for you to back some really game on those. If I look at my gaming, the gaming list that I track, let's have a look. All right, so you've got opportunities in, the likes of Prime here, Mavia. We can add a few others in here as well. But essentially, you've got opportunities across the entire board when it comes to gaming. Some more than others, but I believe this sector will offer us tremendous returns moving forward. And the only way, you just need one or two really, decent market cap if you wanted to, and a degen one, or you could go into a full degen mode. I have some good degen coins as well in the gaming sector. However, this is a narrative that I would take advantage of right now. Now, when we compare that to, let's see what the layer ones are doing. You'd notice the only thing that's up today, I mean, look, Tectum down 9%, Axelar here, Alephium 6%, Kaspa surprising 5%. Mantra is solid, Sui is solid. Now let's talk about Sui first. So Sui has been very tough, I would say, to date, to get hold of, to talk to. Sui does not give a damn about whether we want to buy her or not. It keeps just breaking records after records. In an ideal world, it slows down. I think it will. And once it slows down, we should be moving to this yellow box here, yellow and orange box here. Now, I've got some targets, obviously, for DCA In addition, I've actually bought Sui right at the bottom, so the bag is looking very good and looking very healthy. But to add to Sui, the one thing that I can tell you right now, this is Solana 2.0. Every single aspect of it is literally printing Solana vibes from the last bull run. Now, in addition to that, guys, I've been talking about projects like Cetus and SuiPad and all of these Sui ecosystem for a year or more, and I reckon as it pulls back, you should be able to get into one or two of these projects, but I wouldn't really FOMO. One that has an unlock today that hasn't slowed down is Cetus. Now look at Cetus's rise here, guys. Honestly, I've been buying Cetus at those low prices. Look, Cetus has been basically in my radar for many a month, and it dipped down. Nobody really wanted it. And now all of a sudden, look at that rise. I mean, that is astronomical to 55 million. But you have to put this into perspective, guys. You're not too late for this. The only thing you don't want to do is buy the top of this green candle here. All you just have to do is wait, let it cool down. It's still only $55 million. And if this is the number one DEX, which is clearly what it is for Sui and Aptos, $55 million, $87 million is nothing. This will go to a couple of $1 billion for sure. So at the very least, you could ride a 30 to 40x on this. If Sui goes to the 50 to 100 billion, market cap area. But most investors, what they do is they'll see a project being talked about, and they'll see that obviously it's gone up, and they think, yeah, that this is it. All the gains have been done. No, this is just the start, guys. So this is one that I would consider to be very, very good. Now, in terms of another important protocol here is Navi. Again, Navi is on the DXB watch list. $42 million, guys. Of course, there was that drop yesterday, but Navi protocol is a huge opportunity. More dilution here, but look, trading volume is going up, the TVL is going up, and of course, the only issue here is the circulating supply. This is one-stop liquidity on the move, and so this is again Sui and Aptos, right? If people just want to speculate on the meme coins, which is absolutely fine, I've got you covered. And in terms of the meme coin, guys, look, I would say there are plenty of opportunities here. The only thing I would say is when it comes to meme coins, you can have a look at Blub, FUD the Pug. This is an OG. I mean, $24 million again. One of these will obviously head up to $1 billion of market cap, but this will cool down, guys. $46 million. It's been on a tear. I mean, I've literally done 2x on this, or sorry, 4x on this since I got into it. Now 47 million, again, this is nothing for being the number one coin in terms of this ecosystem. The other one is FUD the Pub, and this one is a bit more cool, but I think this is one of the OGs here, and this should pick up. When it does, I mean, listen, it should pick up even more than this, in my opinion. So it's a very good ecosystem to speculate in, but I think people need to understand and exercise caution in terms of finding out what they should buy and what they shouldn't. Just make a small list, literally, of 4 to 5 tokens, and that's it. You don't really need to go beyond on this hype, because it's just going to give you a headache. Turbo's Finance is another one, and then of course you move down the risk barrier, and this is obviously some of the more riskier. Sui Bull is just under $1 million in terms of market cap, $700 million in market cap. Anyway, guys, I hope I've given you a lot there. I have more videos coming for you. I've been your host, DXB. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your week. Take care.